So over here, you can see that I have a character animator project, and with the nature of character animator, I might not know where the project is actually saved out. So what I can do is I can go on to file, and then I can go on to reveal project in Explorer. Once I click this, what happens is that the folder with the project actually opens up just like that. So I can go ahead and you can see that the project is right here. So now if I were to create a new project, let's say for example, I'm going to go into home and I'm going to take this chat character right here. Let me just close this out entirely. I'm going to go and create a new project, and let's say I'm going to create a new project right here. And let's say I didn't pay attention to where I saved the project. So I'm just going to go around over here, add in the chat character right here. Now let's see how we can find it again. So we go to file and then we go to reveal project in Explorer, and then you can see that that folder is highlighted, and then the chat character is stored on this particular folder, as you can see. So we can go around. These are the medias, as you can see. There's the chat character right here, and we can go around and then access the character animator project just like this. And that's how you can reveal project in Explorer from within character animator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.